So I'm about to take my own chance at my own piccata chicken. I'm about to flatten it out. But I just split them. I was going to butterfly them, but I was like, nah, when I split them and I roll them out real good, beat them, they're going to be big as the pan. And I noticed something about that piccata chicken. I kept saying something off. Nothing was off about it. But what the thing was, they didn't give me no lemon. I didn't taste no lemon on this piccata chicken. But I got lemons for your ass, okay? This is going to be a lemon piccata chicken, okay? With a bunch of, herbs and spices. Go to the hospital. That man don't want his toes cut off. He'll sit up there and probably let him. Yeah, thin it out. That's how thick it is. But we want it thin. See? How y'all doing? That beautiful. I don't think nobody should cook whole chicken breast. I think they meant to be filleted. Whole chicken breast. Y'all better watch them Spaniards and Italians. If my grandma knew how to do that, she probably eat more chicken breast. Don't that look like a piece of fish? Yeah. The reason why you put it in the bag, because you really ain't trying to contaminate all your tools. You know what I mean? And my mama is so crazy, y'all. Every time she see me, you got on that peasant. You got on them peasant. My mama called me a peasant, potato sack queen. That's boho, ma. It's boho. At least I ain't paying $300 for a shirt. Shit, at least I just paid $10. $10. I'm a $10 bitch. A nigga take me out and go shopping, boy. A nigga, I'm gonna have a whole new wardrobe with my $10 pimping ass. Hell yeah. I'm one $10 hoe. And then, I don't like to set myself up, so you'll never see me with a bunch of designer shit on. Hell no, baby. I'm about to stretch that $10 deal, them $10 deal set. This one gonna be mine. Uh-oh, y'all, I done beat it to smithereens. That one gonna be mine. You ain't supposed to beat it that hard. But that was a funny piece. They all pretty much been staying together. You just want to get the hunk out, see? Ain't that pretty? They already been washed. I rinsed my chicken off. Motherfucker, we just got to die. We got to spread salmonella everywhere. Because I know hot soapy water. Throw the rag away. Use a rag that you don't need no more. So they do it very simple. Salt, pepper. Hold on, let me get this flour right now. Just let me see. I had your Salisbury steak in here, Walter. Huh? Walter don't feel good. What did I do with the flowers? Oh, there's a flower. As many candle flies as I got. As many candle flies as I got, y'all. Where they breed. They come from Georgia. There wasn't no candle flies down here. They come from Georgia. So what I'm gonna do is make this easier. I'm gonna have the chicken and put some oil on it. That's gonna be my binder. Put some oil on it. There we go. So we're just gonna keep it simple. It don't really need none of this. All it needs is salt and pepper. Put some oil on it. A little garlic powder. Where's the salt? Why would I go to work on Sunday? I say, why would I go to work on Sunday? I don't go to work on Sunday.
I say,
yep. And then next week I'm on vacation. So. Yeah. You gotta get well. Black pepper. And they season it sparingly too, but it's all about the sauce. So I'm gonna have a lemon sauce, a lemon caper butter sauce. I already got the potatoes roasting. I already got the Brussels sprouts roasting. And the flour, it's just simple. If you want to season it, you season it. You just dusting this stuff. I be wanting to buy new pans and shit, but I don't even want to clean the ones I got. You heard me, Walter. So we're gonna dredge this. You just want to dust it real good. You ain't trying to deep fry it or nothing. And you want to shake it up. Excuse me. Oh shit, I'm about to. Okay. Lemon juice, capers, oil, butter, whatever seasonings you want, garlic. I'll definitely be using garlic this time, but it's gonna be with roasted potatoes, and I'm not cooking rice. See, if my mom would have cooked these back in the day, instead of just deep frying a chicken breast, just take the ingredients you have and make like chicken parmesan. That's what it's like, chicken parmesan. But I don't want all that crust. I want it to be like the Italians and the Spaniards. Just a thin cutlet. Don't you see I'm frying stuff? Why would it be raining when I said I'm... Oh, it is raining. Well, I'm over here frying stuff at the same time you said it. So. And the dryer going. Y'all, it's been 4 years. I ain't even got the plastic off the dryer, off the thing yet. I think I used it once to make sure it cycled. I ain't used it since. I hope y'all doing all right. Yep, the refrigerator junkie. It ain't nothing I want to throw away right now. We just got to do it. And then it's a second person here. It was nice and clean, but it ain't just me. So we just going to pile it up until we can do it. We can figure something out. I'm really thinking about getting another refrigerator, like one of those soda coolers, the open window, just for condiments. I don't want no condiments in my refrigerator. I want like a refrigerator. It ain't got to have no freezer on it. Oh yeah, it can have a freezer on it, cause I could And then my mama gonna tell while we was at Walmart, I was at the clearance rack, cause it's Florida. You could wear summer shit year round here. And she gonna say, ma'am, do not convince that lady she need to buy anything. She gonna have to buy a whole new house. That's what she said. She gonna have to buy a whole new house if she buy anything else. And I be looking at my clothes. It ain't nothing I want to give away. I just gotta have time to wear them, ain't it? What? I just gotta have time to wear them. That's my only issue. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Oh, y'all can see it. Y'all, whatever behind me, just behind me, boo. Y'all can see it. I'm proud of myself. We went grocery shopping about, what? We drove 60 miles today. We did a lot of little knick-knack shopping. And instead of me eating out and waiting to cook, instead of me eating out waiting to cook, I just came home and cooked. Bun now. I don't know why that one came out now. Ain't that pretty, y'all? And this oil, as long as this grease don't burn, I'm gonna use it for it's raining. It's been sunny all day. I wasn't on camera. This one get cleaned up into punchline with it. It's gonna get done. It's definitely gonna get done. I don't play that, but I be multitasking, instead of focusing on one thing. Somebody caught in the rain, I think. And look, that's pretty. That's good enough. That's good enough. They don't eat it. And I think they don't want the flour to burn the oil. See, they're gonna stew in the pan, so you don't have to overcook them. So you just want to keep. I don't know if my mama gonna come over here and be hungry, so. When she get that chewing gum, huh? So we only got 3 more pieces left. You say you're not eating right, well, you might do need some real food. Not no hot dog. Huh? You can eat a piece of dry chicken that ain't got no sauce on it. I don't know what's in the background. Look, I be looking in the background like it might be a dildo or a crack pipe bag. I don't know what the hell y'all might be seeing. Shit, I ain't assessed the situation. Might be some paraphernalia. People talked about my pan. Why the bottom of your pan look like that? The same reason why your ass crack look like that. That motherfucker being used. Ain't that right? As long as I got a pan to cook my food, I wouldn't care. And I'm about to stir fry these. Just grill them in some oil. I'm not even gonna, they just gonna be al dente. I think I might do the onions a little more heavy, but I don't want the onions to be like Chinese food at all. Bell pepper, but this is gonna be tossed in at the last minute. Them bell peppers. Wet a little bit. But I'm glad everything is cleaned up out the way, so I can drink me something nice. I can drink me something nice. Zinfandel. Damn. So I need something white. This say Zinfandel. I don't even buy Zinfandel. This must be a dark Zinfandel. Let me put it in the refrigerator. This must be a dark. This is going to be cold. Put it in the refrigerator. I got some champagne I got from New York, but that's pretty, ain't it, y'all? Ooh, look at them cutlets. See, if I had a child, I'd just give my child a little bitty chicken fingers, chicken tenders, chicken fingers. Yeah. A fat child. My child ain't gonna be fat. I wasn't fat. I ain't gonna play that. You ain't gonna be right here slumped like mama. We about to get it in. You is not about to go there. Take that top side. Little garlic powder. Them cutlets looking good, y'all. Them cutlets looking good. Who keep putting all these spoons in the sink? You? Oh, I was about to say, you need to start. I need to turn it down some because I said I don't want that to burn. I want to use all of that for the... I thought I had some white wine, y'all. Okay, last one. I think this is the one I beat the smithereens, but it was already when I cut it. We didn't waste none. I'll pause a minute. Okay. You want a dry piece of chicken? Not even a little taste? Well, it ain't gonna be nothing dry. Like, I got some little bitty chicken nut pieces. Okay, I was just making sure. I know you say you don't feel good. You're forcing you to do a damn thing. Most of me. I hate you can't enjoy it with me though. But this real food, he's been eating a lot of quick food, you know. So the chicken gonna be right. And then use butter. The Gatorade make you feel better? You might need electrolyte. And I might need to go buy you another Gatorade. See, you do pee and pee and pee. Drink beer, drink beer, drink beer. Pee and pee and pee. All that down there, I'm going to turn that into a roux. Now, if y'all wasn't on here, I probably would have burnt that. That's Amish butter. That's Amish butter. Let's turn it down. Let's see if this paper, yeah, the other paper. Sorry. That's Amish butter. Okay, dry white cooking wine. I found some. I think I should try it. Oh no, it smells delicious. Dry white cooking wine. I knew I had some. Let it cook out. Put a little more oil in it. That's just the first butter. I'm going to fold in some cold butter. I need the garlic. Garlic. I'm going to put a little bit of this lemon juice in there. I'm putting stuff up, y'all. Garlic. Just turn that on. There we go. We gotta use that shelf-stable garlic. Dang, this ain't never been open. You can never have too much garlic, right? Unless you got these peppers, no problem. So we got the garlic. I think we got everything in there we need. little one's gonna. That one ain't really got nothing on it. It just look like it's bread. Wish I had a bigger pan. Cause you're really only supposed to cook enough. Everybody's just supposed to get one little piece and all this going in there. It just got to go in there and stew. Let me take one. I don't have nothing to definitely want the whole in there. That's gonna give it the fragrance. That might be too bitter, but ain't no different than putting the whole lemon in there. Uh-oh, the seeds in there. I do apologize. It does smell good. Cilantro. I mean chives. Now the capers. And some more butter. Uh-oh, they went everywhere, y'all.
I went to my local junk journaling is grabbing any items that are normally thrown away.
That thing fell on the floor. I tried to throw it in my mouth. My mouth right there. And it still didn't go on.
And resourceful at the same time. I just used some random items I got in my house, and this is what I came up with. Don't forget to save this video as inspo for your junk journal.
I sure appreciate y'all watching. Maybe you'll bang you up some chicken. One more thing we gotta do. We gotta dice up a little more butter. Got a helicopter. Say hey to the helicopter. They gotta make their presence now. Ooh, this butter white as hell. I gotta taste it. I hope this ain't that. Hold on. I hope this ain't that. I hope this ain't that Bill Gates butter. It just feel like lard. It don't. I probably ain't gonna buy that no more. I'm gonna just get the Amish butter. This is that great value butter, but it might be that Bill Gates butter. I don't trust that. Well, y'all, and then I got the veggies. There we have it, beautiful bees.